further ado, okay, first I'm gonna start off with Benefit Pore, the Professional, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. And begin doing my eyebrows. With also Benefit brand, my brow pencil and number 5, I already know. That's the same one I always use. And I do a good outline of my natural eyebrow, but I always extend it a little bit to the end. Basic shape. Because then I go back through and I always use Pro Concealer, LA Girl, and Pure Beige. And that's the magical part. Oh yes, I'm so dramatic. All the way to the end, baby, because I want these eyebrows to be extended all the way to the end. I do want them to look a little bit more natural. So I'm actually going to go ahead and blend this part out. Take the ending and I take some of the powder that was already on there, brush it forward. Now I'm just going to go through and outline it just a little bit so that any of that beige color does not give it this like rough outline. I'm gonna go through and put my foundation on. Oh yeah, foundation, Fenty Beauty, which I absolutely love. And, which I'll never forget, 420. Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I love this one. This is actually like my third bottle. Do your baby hairs before you do your makeup, because baby, you will get brown or white or whatever other color you use stuck all in your baby hairs. It's horrible. So now that's applied, some girls stop there. You see that line? No. Now I'm gonna take me a little bit of this foundation, put it on my hand. I need to get better brushes, but I'm gonna tie with like a barely of an angle brush. And see the difference? Yes, I can see the difference from here, so I know you can see the difference. Kardashian. They're not extra long. Someone's like, oh my god, them eyebrows are extended, girl. Yes, I know. My other favorite product from Fenty Beauty are her little matchsticks contour, which I am gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks. I contour my cheeks from I can't think of anything today. Sideburns down below my cheekbones. You see my cheekbones more on this side. I'll go right here, like my cheekbones right here, go right under it, but just a little bit. Some people do more. I just bring it down just a little bit. Just a little. I don't want it to bring it all the way down here because that doesn't make sense to me. And you know, I watch my YouTube videos too, and they say don't do that, so. And I see the difference. Because I would bring mine all the way. Like this. Perfect. Then I'm going to take her matchstick and suede, the color suede, and apply that under my eyes. This Laura Mercier, if I'm saying it right, translucent powder in medium deep. For eyelashes time. I like these. You can actually get these straight at the beauty supply store. I know everybody sees these. These beauties are right here. I take some glue, dab it at the end, dab it at the front. Make sure that these lashes don't have any hair on them. That's not professional. Don't put your blow spit all over somebody else's lashes. Don't do this either. But since these are my lashes and I gotta go, I'm gonna go ahead. Let them dry a little bit. Oh wait. Let's do professional. My eyelashes are curly, okay? So what ends up happening is my eyelashes go all sorts of directions instead of straight out. So yes, I have to go through and fix my eyelashes to go straight up. I know a lot of people's eyelashes are straight, so I don't have that problem. For my cat eye, this is what I do. I take it, pull it out a little bit, and wing it out. I've been doing this new little thing that I love. I've been using this eyeshadow palette, the Magic Mini. And I specifically use the darkest one, which is right over here. A little bit on this brush. Yes, I know it's a blue. It's not black, but I actually really like the pigment of this color. I don't need it to be black. Although I do have the Sephora color black lace 304 that I also use whenever I don't carry that big palette. And right at the end, I go ahead and smoke it out just a little so I don't give myself this harsh line. Bottom lash line. I go through. I do the same thing. Just for the final step. I do want to control my oils a little bit. MAC Dazzle Glass Roller Girl. And I blend that into my lips so that it gives it this like ombre effect. I'll go ahead and outline my lips. Do you like this look? Like, comment, subscribe below if you want to see more lips from me. And now that that's all done,